The vapor pressure of water is 12.3 kilopascal at 300 Kelvin. Calculate vapor pressure of 1 molal aqueous solution of a non-volatile solute in it. How to do this question? For understanding that, understand the context of the question. See here, they have given the vapor pressure of pure solvent, that is water. What is that? 12.3 kilopascal. And what they asked to find? They asked to find the vapor pressure of the solution when you add non-volatile solute to it. So what is the context? They have given the vapor pressure of pure solvent. And what you have to find? Vapor pressure of the solution after adding non-volatile solute. In such a case, if you see such a context, no doubt the question is connected with what? Relative lowering of vapor pressure. Directly hit that equation. What is the equation? PA standard minus PA by PA standard is equal to kB. What is PA standard? PA standard is vapor pressure of pure solvent. What is PA? Vapor pressure of solution. And kB is what? Mole fraction of the solute. Our aim is to find what? Our aim is to find the vapor pressure of the solution. That is PA, that you keep in mind, okay? Okay, now before doing the substitution step, you must understand the meaning of 1 molal solution. The meaning is 1 mole of solute is present in 1 kilogram, that is 1000 gram of solvent. Here what is solvent? That is water. If it is 2 molal solution, what is the meaning? 2 mole of solute is present in 1000 gram of water or solvent. Okay, anyhow, here it is 1 molal solution. So lot of data we got, right? Number of moles of solute we got. What is that? 1, correct? 1 mole. Now mass of the solvent we got. What is that? 1000 gram, correct? Now molar mass of the water we know. Water means H2O. Hydrogen atomic mass is 1. 2 hydrogen is there. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. On adding you will be getting 18. Number of moles of water is what? Mass of water by molar mass of water. So what is that? 1000 by 18. On calculating, what you will get? 55.55. Correct, right? Now we can find mole fraction. Mole fraction kB is equal to what? It is number of moles of solute NB by total number of moles of the solution. What is that? Na plus NB. We know all the values, right? What is NB? 1. We know it, right? 1. By, what is Na? It is 55.55. Correct? Plus 1. On calculating, you will be getting like 0.0177. Now coming back to our first equation. Here we have the unknown, which we are supposed to find, right? PA, vapor pressure of the solution. Substitute all other values. So 12.3 minus PA by 12.3 is equal to, mole fraction is what? Which we already find, 0.0177. Then 12.3 minus PA is equal to what? 0.0177 into 12.3. On calculating that, you will be getting like 0.2177. Now PA is equal to 12 on calculating. On solving, you will be getting like 12.08. What is the unit? The unit is kilopascal. Hope you understand.